Hello guys, today we are going to create a to-do app with Firebase in React. So as you can see, this is the to-do app. It is connected with Firebase, so just insert something and add to-do. Here it will be added. Okay, so it shows us the to-do message, the date, the time, the indexes, and you can also update the to-do. Just copy this, update, just remove this and press OK. It is updated. Now you can also delete the to-do. Just press delete. It will be deleted. I will also show you a database. So just minimize it a little bit. This is the database of this to-do app. Now just add hello. Press add. So as you can see, one more record is added. Press OK. It is added. Now if you want to delete this, just watch the database. Delete. A record is deleted. Now if you want it to update, it is updated. Now if you want to delete all the database, now just press delete all. Okay, all to-dos are deleted. Now everything is deleted. Now just add one more thing. Subscribe. Press add. Wow, a new record has been added. Here you can see it has the timestamp, time, and the message. So guys, let's create a React project. Now I already created a folder named To Do App with Firebase. I just click on it and write cmd. Hit enter. Now write npx create -react -app and the name of the app, which is To Do App with Firebase. Now hit enter. Now the project is creating. It will take some time. Till then I just pause the video. The project has been created and now it says us two things, which is come inside the cd do app. Just write come inside and just write npm start. Hit enter and the development server is starting. So React gives us some by default layout. Now till then we just created our Firebase project. Just write Firebase, hit enter. Here it is. The project is open on localhost. Now I'm inside the Firebase. I just use my another account. Press go to console. Now press and add project. Now enter your project name. For example, To to do app with Firebase. Now hit continue, come down, just press continue. Now default, create project. Till then we just come here and just stop the development server by pressing Ctrl C 2 times. Now to install Firebase inside our project, just write npm I Firebase. I means install, it is a short form of install, so hit enter. Now the Firebase packages are been downloading, just minimize it. Now continue. Now we are using Firebase for web, so this is for web, this is for Android, and this is for iOS. Just press on this web. Now what's the name of the web? Just write Todo App Firebase. We don't want the hosting, so don't click on it, just click on register app. Here it gives us some keys, just copy these keys, just select them and press Ctrl C and hit continue. So guys, as you can see, our Firebase project is being created. So if you don't remember or you don't copy the config code, you just came here, press settings, just go down, and this is the press config. Now this is the configuration that you need to connect your Todo app with Firebase. So let's check. The Firebase is installed. Yes, the Firebase is installed. Now we need one more thing, we need material UI. So just write material UI, hit enter. Just press on get started. Now there are two npm packages. First copy this one. Now press Ctrl V and hit enter. It's installing. Now the second package, you need the icons. If you wanted to use the icons, then you install it. If don't, then you won't. So I'm using it. Again press Ctrl V for icons, hit enter. So guys, now you have to open the terminal for this project. Just write code space dot, hit enter. Now a terminal will be open. Now come to your project and just write npm start to start the server again. Close it. Now just wait. Now just come to the console, go inside src. This is go inside the app.js. This is some codes that Facebook gave us by default. Just remove this and also remove this class, we don't want it, and also remove this logo. Now just create a file, firebase.js, hit enter. The file will be created. What? Okay, the file is created. So just write import firebase from firebase/app. Now if you wanted to use the Firestore, just write import firebase/Firestore. There are many other options, authentication, database. There is the Firestore. Firestore. The folder, you will select the folder, not the files. Just hit enter. Now what we need to configure the file. So just come inside here. There is the config file. To copy the whole file, just press Ctrl C. Come to your project. Inside this project, Ctrl V. Now we need one more thing. Okay, just use the CDNs analytics. Just copy also this initializer. Copy. Come inside the codes. Now just paste it here. Now what you're seeing is just we don't want this. Just remove this and just write a var fire. Now just copy this whole, press Ctrl X inside here, give him brackets and write here that config. Now remove this. Now write, just make a db. Now we using this reference which is fire.firestore. Now export. So guys, the Firebase setup is completed. So we need to do one more thing. Just come inside the Firestore, click on it. Here it says create database. Just click on it. Use start in testing mode. Press next. It says just leave it by default. Just press. So the database is created. Now just check the rules. Yes, rules are okay. Come here again. So now just create our app. Come inside app.js. Now we will import some things. First we need use state. We also need use effect. From React. There will be a comma. Now we need to import the text. Now we need to import our DB which we created in this Firebase file. This is the DB. Come inside the app.js and just write import DB from /Firebase. The name of our file. Now we also have to import the Firebase here. So just write import Firebase from Firebase/app. Now come inside the app.js. We need two things. We need to use state. First will be an array and second will be an empty. Not use effect, use state. Okay, in this use state just write to do's. Let's remove this extra one. First will be an empty array. Just copy this and paste it here one more time. Now here it will be that a single text that we will enter. Now set text. This will be an empty string, not an array. Now we will design our app. First we need text fields and buttons from React Native, from Material UI. Just write, come inside components, come down, there is buttons, come down, we need this primary one, just click here, show full source code, just copy this button, come inside to our app, paste it here. Now we need text fields to input our text. These are the text fields. Click on here. Come down. Just press here. Now copy this text field to your project and press Ctrl V. Now we need an elevation of, we also need one more thing, just write paper, click on it, come down. These are the papers that our to do will be shown on here. Full source code. Just copy this, come inside and come to here and just write h1 Todo app with Firebase, which will be the heading of the app. Now I already done some CSS. I will just use that CSS. I will also tell you what we are doing. So here will be the by default margin that we are given. So it says 0 from all four sides. The text align is center. This is the to do header. This is the class of header. To do header. Font family Ubuntu, color is white, text shadow, font size 35, background color. There are 3 background colors. Let's see the rendering. There are 3 background colors. One is here, one is here, and one is here. Now height is 50 pixel, border is 1 pixel, solid black, margin bottom 25, and padding from all four sides, and there is a box shadow. Now come inside again, app.js. Now we will create a form. Inside that form we will use this paper. Just copy this paper, come inside here, slide paper, a closing tag of paper. Give the paper an elevation. The maximum elevation is 20. Now give him a class name. The class name should be add __ to do's. Inside paper just use this text field, copy this text field, come here, there is the text field. Now give it a class name. Text field __ field. Now give him a label. Enter to do's. Now give a value. Text. This is the text value. It's coming here. And when the text field text change, just write on change. Inside on change, just pass an event e and set text e dot target dot value. Now guys, we wanted to give the text field a fixed length, so we using material UI props. So here we will just write input props equal to one more. Inside here we will just write max length 55 characters will be the max length. Now we will use button. Just copy these buttons. Inside this button, this will just write type submit. This will be the submit button. Now give him a variant, contain, give him a color will be primary, and just write add. Just copy this button, paste it here. Now this second button will be delete all. We don't want to submit, so just remove this submit from this button. Now just give some CSS. Here is the add to do CSS. Just copy this. Now paste it here. Now guys, add to do, just came here. This is the add to do. We are giving the paper, margin from top, right, bottom and left, padding from top, right, bottom and left. Now come inside this add to do and come inside the class text field. Come inside the to do's, add to do's, and come inside text field and give him a width of 500 pixels. Now again come inside this add to do, inside the buttons, give the buttons a width of 20% and margin 5. So let's see.